guys, and welcome back to OakStyle. My name's Oakley, and today I'm going to be doing what's in my skin fridge. So let's get into this video. I actually got my skin fridge for Christmas this year, and it's from the brand Vanity, but I think it came from Walmart, and it was around $65. So let's see what I got in it. It does have a little shelf here and a little shelf on the door. And on the door I have the Burt's Bees Herbal Complexion Stick, and I'll link that video where I did my acne products that I use, and I'll tell you a little bit more about this. Couple of masks I have on here is the GLAMGLOW Thirst Mud and the GLAMGLOW Super Mud. I have some hydrating creams in here. The Overnight Hydrating Cream by Yes to Coconut. The Polypeptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. The First Aid Beauty Cream. The OLEHENRIKSEN Brightening C. And the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. I also have the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Brightening Eye Cream. I have the GLAMGLOW Hydrating Mask. The Watermelon Glow Recipe Sleeping Mask. I have 3 serums in here. The first one is the Truth Serum by OLEHENRIKSEN. The SEPHORA Collection C&E Serum. And the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. I also keep in here the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Acne Mask. The Origins Clear and Improved Charcoal Mask. My Rose Quartz Roller. My Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel Exfoliant. The Sephora Collection Banana Mask. And my gum mask for the Sephora Collection. And a couple sheet masks. The Tatcha Dewy Skin Mask. The Yes to Clear and Smooth Rose Oil Mask. And the Yes to Cotton Mask. And I think with that, that's all I have for you guys today. So remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Bye guys!